How to enable comments on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable comments on your Wix website. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and right now I'm going to show you how to do it. So just click on create a new site, and if you have already made one, you see the dashboard and you see this, just click select and edit site, but I'm going to quickly show you how to edit from scratch. So click on setup without the chat and I'm going to use it. So here you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. Today we are creating a blog, and in the block we are going to enable our comments. So just wait a bit for it to load and then click continue. So okay, I click continue and it's going to load the dashboard for our website. We need to wait a bit for it to load once again. So it's going to be in seconds. The dashboard is going to be prepared. Okay, so our dashboard is ready, and the next step, we need to create a name for our website. I'm going to name it as an example. So then just click continue, and I'm going to skip those things, but for example, it's going to ask you what are your goals for this site. So to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, promote a business, promote myself, just explore. So I'm going to click build a community, promote myself, and share knowledge. So it's a blog type of website, and it's going to recommend us the apps. Just click continue. Okay, we are all set. Click on continue to dashboard and you see the dashboard of your website. So here, once you're already here, you need to go to the apps to enable your comments. So here, go to apps, then go click on app market, and you're going to see a browser of the apps that are ready. So it is already given to us. The app is called comments, reviews and testimonials for your website. You can type in here comments, and you see all the apps that are about the comments. So as you can see, there are 36 results of apps that are about the comments. So you can choose by your heart what you really like. As you can see, Threads, Embedded, but I'm going to prefer this one. So this one is an additional one made by the user. So it have a free plan available. It have 4.4 rating and have 1000, just a lot of reviews. Comparing to other apps, this app have only 55 reviews, 378 reviews. So I'm just going to choose this one, and you're going to see what it will give you. So by adding this to your site, you just need to click on add to site, agree and add. Okay, so this app is added to our website. As you can see, we have here apps, and here is the comments. So it adds a comments dashboard. We can add a moderator here, the word blacklist, so you can define a list of words that will automatically be blocked by the app, one word or phrase per line. So how to edit? Just open Wix editor, click on the open Wix editor, and you're going to see the magic. So we haven't choose a template, So it's going to ask to create a website. We are going to go back, setup, design your website, so the comments will be there. So just pick a template, click on pick a template to customize a already made template. So here is the browser of the templates. As you know, Wix.com is offering a lot of beautiful templates that are already done. So for example, I just choose this book block template, click on edit, and it's going to load the dashboard of our website. We just need to wait a bit for editor to be loaded. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Okay, so our page is ready, our website. Oh, it's not really ready. You need to wait a bit more. So everything is ready. So here, click on add apps. The app market, type here the comments. Here is our app. So as you can see, it is installed. You can add it again, and it's adding comments to your website. So it's an additional for you where to see this thing. It's going to load comments for your website. Just I just drag it right here in the middle. You can see the settings of this thing, a design. So okay, so I'm going to see it right here. Okay, so the background would be white. Okay, so I really like the design. I don't change anything. So here are the comments. Here users can leave the message, and there will be the comments. Okay, so I will drag it right here, scale it a bit to fit it perfectly into our website. So as you can see, we have added comments, and I'm going to show you the upgrade plans of the Wix that is offering us. So there are, in addition, there are 4 plans. The first one is light, it costs 13 euro per month. Next one is core, it costs 13 euro per month, but right now it have 50% discount, whether it costs 26 euro per month. Next one is the business one. Right now it costs 20 euro per month. This one is recommended one if you want to grow your business, if you want to have collaborators, one domain free for 1 year, standard marketing suite. And the next one is the business elite plan, so it costs 89 euro per month. Okay guys, so if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.